Hey there, Ring Doorbell users. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a common issue many of you might be facing, a Ring doorbell not charging. But worry not, because in this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get your Ring doorbell back up and running. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our helpful tech guides. Step 1. Check power source. The first thing to do is to ensure your Ring doorbell is connected to a reliable power source. Check if the power outlet or USB cable you're using is functioning properly. If needed, try using a different cable or outlet. Step 2. Assess the battery. If your Ring doorbell has a removable battery, take it out and inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. If the battery seems worn out or damaged, it might be time for a replacement. Ring offers replacement batteries, so check their website for compatible options. Step 3. Verify Wi-Fi connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for your Ring doorbell to function properly. Check if your Wi-Fi is working by connecting another device. If your Wi-Fi is fine, try restarting your router or reconnecting your Ring doorbell to the Wi-Fi network using the Ring app. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause charging issues. Make sure your Ring doorbell's firmware is up to date by checking the Ring app or website for any available updates. If an update is available, follow the instructions to install it. Step 5. Reset your Ring doorbell. If all else fails, you might need to perform a reset. This will restore your Ring doorbell to its default settings. Refer to the Ring doorbell manual or the Ring website for instructions on how to reset your specific model. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot and fix a Ring doorbell not charging. If you've tried all these steps and still can't resolve the issue, it might be time to reach out to Ring customer support for further assistance. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who might be facing similar issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.